Are you waking up bloated, brain fogged, or craving the coffee IV drip? That's not just stress, that's your microbes in your gut literally throwing a tantrum. But here's the twist. Fixing your mornings isn't just about quitting coffee or adding another supplement. It's about syncing your routine with your microbiome, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 15 minutes a day. What to do, what to eat, what to drink. Hi guys, I'm Leilani. I'm a chef, a clinical nutritionist, and a gut health nerd, and I'm here to help you feel amazing from the inside out. If you stick with me to the end of this episode, I'll show you how to get your hands on my gut reset protocol, the same one I use with clients, to transform your digestion, energy, and gut health in just a few weeks. So grab a pen and a paper and let's dive in. Before you scroll or pour that morning coffee, align your body with the one clock that actually matters, your circadian rhythm, your body's natural clock. As soon as you wake up, sit outside just for a few minutes. Get that natural sunlight on your face without your sunnies, because sunlight tells your body, hey, it's daytime, and it reduces your melatonin and resets your cortisol the right way for you and your guts. Why? Because gut bacteria are also on a sleep-wake schedule, and syncing them with natural light helps them thrive. The real magic starts the night before. Going to bed before 10 p.m. helps your body hit deep sleep windows, where the gut lining repair kicks in, the brain detox pathways clear waste, and even cravings and blood sugar levels rebalance. And I get it. Screens are addictive. I've got kids. I always want to stay up late, but just try it for a few nights a week and see how you feel. Studies show poor sleep or staying up too late throws off your microbiome and increases ghrelin, your hunger hormone, making you crave sugar, carbs, processed food the next day. Scrape your tongue. This one's weirdly satisfying and wildly effective. So go to the shop and get a copper or stainless steel tongue scraper and do that first thing. It just helps to clear out the overnight bacteria and toxins that can mess with your microbiome. You may not know this, but oral health is one of the foundations of good gut health, because the gastrointestinal tract actually starts in the mouth. So your oral bacteria directly affect your digestion and even your immune system. So add this to your routine and you're already ahead of the game. Hydration with intention. Start your morning, yes, before coffee, with a big glass of warm water with lemon to get your bowels moving. Get that waste out of the body. Or level that up and add a pinch of mineral salt or electrolytes to rehydrate your cells. Hydration equals motility, and think of it like the WD-40 for your digestive system. Stick around. Next up is my gut glowing drink that feeds your good microbes, and it feels like a warm hug. Add a microbiome loving drink to your morning. Now for the good stuff. Swap, or if you can't go without, add to your morning coffee with something that fuels your gut and your brain. So my favorites are a morning matcha latte with coconut milk or MCT oil. Definitely not that dead dairy, because cow's milk is super pro-inflammatory. It's known to trigger excess sinus congestion, headaches, and even cause skin breakouts. It's a whole body inflammatory load that can mess with your energy, your skin, and your brain. In my gut health course, I dive into which types of dairy can work for your body and which ones are silently aging you from the inside out. So I'll put the links below for that. Now, back to the microbiome boosting morning drinks. So get your matcha latte, add some of these immune boosting and gut boosting mushrooms, not the psychedelic kind like shiitake or lion's mane. You can get it from the grocery store. Or get a turmeric latte with ginger, cinnamon. Those things do wonders to add to your microbiome because it feeds all the little beneficial bacteria that are your gut army. These drinks are packed with polyphenols, so they're actually the food for these good gut bugs. And they support focus, reduce inflammation, and just taste like a good time. Now, I'll be releasing the exact recipe I drink in the morning, plus which gut-loving supplements to add very soon. So you don't want to miss it. Ring the bell, subscribe so you get the notifications. Do you have your own gut-loving morning drink? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's in your cup. So would everybody else. Okay, do a 5 to 10 minute stretch or yoga. We store emotions in our bodies, not just in our minds. Stretching and breathwork are two of the most powerful ways to release that stuck energy, tension, and emotional weight. And yoga does both of those things. So I'm talking even under 10 minutes, gentle movement, deep breathing can help you let go of what your body's been holding on to physically, emotionally, and energetically. It's not just about flexibility, it's about freedom. Choose a gentle yoga or stretch video. I love Boho Beautiful's morning yoga routine, and focus the ones on twisting movements because that reduces bloating and increases the blood flow to your intestines. And don't forget to breathe. Deep belly breathing helps stimulate your vagus nerve for digestion and a happy mood. Do you want this plus the extras in my Ultimate Microbiome morning routine cheat sheet? Grab it free inside the Gut Love Club. The link is in the description. Breathwork, gratitude. Take 5 slow belly breaths. Breathe in all the way into your diaphragm, and then think of 3 things you're grateful for. Why this works. It actually activates the parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest state. So it reduces stress, it improves digestion, and it actually calms cravings. Your gut and brain are on the same team. Calm your mind, support your gut. It's a win-win. You've set up your gut like a boss. What do you actually feed it? I've got a whole series coming up on the best breakfast for gut health. They're easy, delicious, backed by science, and doable daily, even for a wickedly busy work week schedule. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed with getting great gut health. 2 or 3 mornings a week, add some of these strategies in to really boost your gut health. This routine is about supporting your gut, boosting your energy, and feeling like your best self without pressure or stress. So just start with 2 or 3 steps and then layer up when you're ready. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one gut habit you want to stick to, but you keep skipping? Drop it in the comments below. Now, what I mentioned before, super exciting. I'm about to launch a brand new mini version of my gut protocol that's simpler and more affordable. If you're just starting your gut health journey and want the easy way in, stay tuned or drop an email inside the Gut Love Club so you are the first to know when it drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.